Hi all, welcome to AI Doc YouTube channel, and for today's AI Day 119, I will try to check one new update which is BAI. So till now, what I have been doing that I'm doing more of kind of hands-on. Like recently, I have done for Kimi K2. Before that, I worked on Talkie AI. Before that, Gemini AI. Then AI mode, all that Minimax audio, all these things. So lately, I was doing more of AI tools hands-on, but also there are more updates happening uh, at backend where like different AI related news are happening, and uh, even though those are like kinds of like subscription based or just news things, I'm missing those like updates. So today I will do in today's session I will try to understand what is BAI is about, and every after this review kind of session I will do again hands-on for one AI tool, then again we'll try to do review what's happening in AI world at same time. So I will focus on that every time, every time there is for this we YouTube channel, I will try to do updates or update strategy as and when required. So or like it will update my knowledge, and same time will also have some kinds of hands-on for AI tools as well. So that's my plan, current plan. So B AI's actually link or URL is BEE dot computer. So first time I'm seeing dot computer with some for like uh, domain name. And here we can see that first thing we identify is that B is joining Amazon. We are incredibly grateful to our customer. Okay, so Amazon is acquiring B AI. So let's try to understand why it's big news, and why, what is the reason, that what is so special about BAI. So let's check the variable AI that understands you. So before that, there is a one introductory video we can see here. As per looks, it looks like a wearable watch kind, not watch but just a wearable you can wear on your wrist. So till now here what we have seen, its design, how it's what are its key features. So it looks like very much of listening device, and there is no mention of any speaker from it. But let's check more detail. There must be some app present. So within our so uh, this device will be on wrist, and same time there is a app will be present in your smartphone, or maybe in computer. they didn't much explain about its feature, but there are we can identify that it gives insights, summaries, overviews. Okay, okay, let's try to check. Okay, a reminder, we can set reminder that memories. There is a feature available, talk to B. I'm not sure it's in the device there is some mic available, but we will check again on their portal. But I think it will be available in app. So I think this is the only one video they have, and they introduced this they released this video 2 months back, and they that make some sensation, and this Amazon decided to buy it. Returns personal AI that transform your conversation, task, places, and more into summaries, personal insight, and timely reminders. This sits quietly in the background, learn your pattern, references, preferences, and relationships over the time, building a deeper understanding of your world without demanding your attention. So there will be no direct one-to-one conversation will happen between you and device, but it's like having a recording device. Okay, there is a recording device which creates your profile, try to understand it, and I think there is an option available where you can record something, uh, where there is a option available, press button available where you can record something like creating reminder from it, creating reminders from it, or having like instant notes uh, through B is ready when you need it. Need to remember conversation, have a question about your personal trends. You can talk to B through standalone device, iOS mobile app or Apple Watch. Okay, so they like instead of device, you can use its app as well. But I think with apps, it should be like running at background within your smartphone, so it can record all your activities at same time. So I think there was one kind of pendant kind of app uh, or AI tool were there, which like listen all your activity and create your profile. It was like I heard it was available like 1 or 2 years back, but not sure like what is its current status. But it was available, similar with similar concept. So here we can see summaries and takeaways, discussing ideas for the next product release. So it listened your all conversation, creates notes, summary, timeline, and related So what you talk, based on that it all record, and uh, audio, with audio AI it creates all the notes or timeline or related thing. So since it's AI, it must be connected to internet. So whatever you talk, it try to relate to uh, online at same time and give reference. So whenever you had your discussion with your friends, colleagues, or with family, after that if you try to like get try to remember something or try to relate some points uh, with this AI, it will be more helpful or insightful, because whenever we discuss something during that time we cannot connect more dots with online content, or try to understand like uh, relations with other activities. So this will be helpful for that. Reflection and insight. You are adapting your parenting approach during vibe subscription by creating special moments around routine activities like simple. So basically it's creating with all the conversation, it's connect creating uh, profile, what like no what you have usually uh, Microsoft or Google or this huge companies creating your profile based on your online activities. Also, since those like uh, Google or Microsoft have permission to your voice 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 or audio device in your smartphone, they are listening to your conversation as well. So we all know that whenever we talk about something related, ads or products suggestions we get most of the time. So similarly for that conversation we have standalone new concept, that is B. But it's useful and it's have direct approach instead of hidden approach from Google or Microsoft or other big like companies. So it can create daily memories that of what happened during that particular day. It's create that with map. And okay, it must have some like integration from Google, I think, because it shows map. So it must have like identify which places they uh, that end user went through. Then it's like Google keep suggested to do search for and talk about anything. So when you talk through this device, like press by pressing that button, those conversation we can have like current challenges, how I have been doing as parent recently. So those tips we get, it's looks like a regular AI. How I can help? I'm not sure if Amazon will integrate into their uh, e-commerce ecosystem, or it will be available as standalone AI. But if it available as standalone AI or device, then it will be much better. But I think uh, they will somehow they will integrate it in their e-commerce ecosystem as well, because it creating a profile of yours and try Amazon's e-commerce, it will try to understand what is the requirement, actual requirement of users, and then based on that it will Amazon's e-commerce ecosystem try to provide recommendation that you required this particular product based on your profile that we have created. So it will be helpful for Amazon e-commerce ecosystem as well. So mm, back order due to incredibly high demands, orders will ship early September. So currently they you can place order, but they are working to complete back orders. 49 $50 price, and here's the device. This is the press button, and I think those are uh, audio device, advanced noise filtering. There is no structure available. Hmm. So with this, there is a noise filtering available. It obviously it requires noise filtering, because if you want to listen conversation, then this noise filtering is must. Dual microphones and advanced noise filtering. These are microphones too. 7 days battery life. Mute. You can mute, unmute. Single press buttons easily mutes and unmutes the microphone with LED light. So if you want to talk, then you can uh, talk. I'm not getting this. Single press button easily mutes and unmutes microphone with. So you can unmute things, like there must be some with this. I think there must be a button. Actually, maybe this button helps to like talk at same time we can mute our conversation which are private and don't want AI to listen. So that option should be available with this device, but not sure. And LED light, uh, not sure where the LED lights, but that light should be available, because if we are you have this device and you are talking with someone, maybe that person don't know that your AI is recording all your conversation, trying to understand it's like insight from it, but you have consent for B, but that other person don't have consent that AI should record your conversation. But ultimately in future there will be no like it will there is a no uh, there will be no extra consent required, because obviously everyone assume that somehow uh, you are living in different types of AI tools within world, but currently that like privacy kind of thing required. And if this device have that LED light somewhere, that during when it's on, if that if that LED shows like lights pop-ups during conversation, that other person should know that somehow their conversation are being recorded. 40 languages it's provides support, so whatever talk you are talking, English or Chinese or Russian, uh, I think those major languages are supported by this device. Train it on with the languages use more often. Oh, you can train the device as well, but not sure how. Modular design, B can be removed from the included wristband and worn the a variety ways. So you can keep you can keep it in your pocket and use that as well. Clip it on your clothing. Study clips. So there was clip. There was one device, I remember that. We'll try to check later. More details, let's check more details. Yeah, here we have more detailed dual Microsoft microphones. Yes, this are microphone, easily mute, unmute with button press. There is a LED light available. 7-day battery life. Understand up to 40 different languages. Those languages are not mentioned here. Press and hold to talk to your personal AI. Customize double press actions, action button. Okay, this is microphone, LED indicator, real rare USB-C port, microphone 2. You can mute unmute for privacy. Yes, that is the option available. What's in the box? Standalone device, wristband, clip not shown here. And start guide, manual guide should be there. How be Microsoft B uses the advanced dual Microsoft sophisticated noise filtering. Ensure perfect understanding whether you are quiet office or busy construction site. So I think it will create some kind of ethical practices issue, because if you wear this smartwatch in your office and this device gets hacked somehow, then there is a problem. Water resistant but not waterproof. You can charge USB via USB-C port. 7-day battery life. USB cable is not included in the box. Okay. There are some additional frequently asked questions. Okay, let's try to go through this feature. How does B understand me so well in different environment? They just mentioned 40 languages but not mention which are languages it's provide supports. Okay, finally we have integrations of Google Div services, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Contacts, I think Google Maps as well. We are actively developing more integrations. Stay tuned. Okay. Personally, yeah. Okay. So if that device used by multiple uh, people at different times, then those I think B will create mixed profile as a one for one primary users, and third that primary user have conversation or different personality as it provided data from different users as well. So that is not recommended by them. Does B work with my Apple? Yes, B integrates seamlessly with Apple Watch, extending your personal AI experience to wrist. Okay, that is interesting because if Apple Watch data, uh, since they have standalone app, so that app will be available on your Apple Watch, and with this it's just kind of like having change your wrist band. So instead of band required, that app will work as a uh, watch or be AI. So it will be interesting to see how it works. So it is available on Play Store. 1K plus download already happened. Rated 3 plus. Okay. No data shared. Location, app activity, personal info. Okay. So you can try it as well. It's already available for Android. Okay. So this is all about feature and capabilities, privacy and security. Voice recordings processed in real time, immediately deleted after processing, never saved or stored. Okay. Okay, that is something interesting. They care about data privacy, that they just uh, create summary reminder, and recording will be like deleted. But how about if I want intentionally to save that recording for future use? So if that option available or not? Delete anything anytime. All deletions are permanent and immediate. Recordings will be deleted. Also you can delete other processed summaries, insights or reminders as well. Integrate with your developer AI. Access your data wherever you want. That I doubt that they won't train your data for AI training, but they are mentioning that no AI model trained with your data, no selling, monetizing your data. I think selling is not required since they have huge like advantage of first profiled profiles created with AI. No sharing with third parties, but they will for your profile will be used to understand how different profile works. So for I think that is for me that is AI training with your data. What security measures are please? Regular third party security audits, industry standard data protection, privacy first architecture, continuous security. So I think there will be some kind of uh, like cloud will be cloud place will be available where recordings will be or all um, like all processed data will be available like or within app it will be available, obvious, yeah, within app it will be available all your uh, like inside summary part or uh, tips they have creating. Our goal is to make be smarter without ever requiring access to your raw personal data. We are actively building towards that future for secure and geotopic fencing. In the future, users will be able to set boundaries around what be is allowed to learn. You will have ability to define topics that should never be processed and design physical applications. Particularly for learning, that is good. Interesting that how it will work. Advanced on geo, advanced advanced on device. We are testing next generation local models that can run directly on device. These models are already being evaluated by trusted partners, early testers. Okay, so there will be AI models will be available that will be running locally. What you like currently uh, like running locally different AI. So those AI models will run within that app or within device. Okay, so these are privacy and security. These are suggestions for using the. Okay, you can double press, reset, press and hold for asking question. Okay, we can stop at with this press button. You can stop like recording. You can ask questions. Different activities can be done. There are this developer option. Okay. Why required Apple account to sign in B? Or you can use mobile or mobile number or email. Okay, we can't see what is in developer. I thought there is API access available, but I can't use. Okay. Uh, there was this like yes, those yeah, human. So earlier there were similar kind of AI devices were available. So there is this ring, human ring available, AI pin, and also there was one rabbit AI which was got scrapped after initial trolling kind of thing or a review. We all know. And but let's see how it works over the time that because those smart devices over the time get restrictions from different entities like organization, or they are not very welcomed in like family conversation. So not sure how it will get whether they will get acceptance or not. So today I tried to understand how it works. Be fine that about us. Okay, this is how we can use. So now personal AI is like more kind of like buzzword nowadays. So this is the team. Those are investors. So there is no more extra details are available. So that's it today for AI day number 119. And today we try to understand BAI's like how it work, how it will work, and what are the key features of it. Let's meet next time with another interesting AI topic. Thank you.